to a place called the Crystal Mine. From what we've seen, it's more like a quarry, I guess. So, but it's, I guess apparently there's crystals everywhere, scattered everywhere. So that's going to be really fun to see. Verdi is just due west of Reno, and we're going to be heading up into the mountains up here to Crystal Peak. And once again, we are out with our friends, Cassidy and Catherine, who are ahead of us. Oh God. Must drive through all the puddles. Look at the size of these quartz rocks, boulders, quartz boulders, I guess.
Yeah. There's just tons of them. I mean, most of the stuff you're walking on is quartz.
So was this actually like dug up, or?
Yeah, it was a quartz mine.
You can only take a bucket a day. Yeah, it was like one, well, but it was up to 5 gallons, I think. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, like, oh, that's pretty good. Really nice view from up here. This is cool.
You kind of follow the ridge up that way.
Okay.
Not so steep.
Yeah, let's do that. Look at all this. That's so cool. The ground was so sparkly out here. Quit messing with that. Come up. Get on. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Head back down, preferably without slipping and falling on our butts. Look at all the copper on the sky. It's so beautiful. There's gonna be some wet snow. Oh shit! Watch it again! All the little quartz crystals stuck in the tire tread. This is awesome. Hola. This is why you always have a partner come out off-roading with you.
Oh, there's snow in my pocket, baby.
Yay!
And normally when you do this, that car should be running. But
Yeah. got to get another awesome Jeep photo shoot with these very, very muddy cars. It's a beautiful creek down here. So peaceful. A little sketched about how muddy the trail was, but luckily these gentlemen were out here and they decided to show us how it's done.